MoCA Practice Test 2026 Montreal Cognitive Assessment, Full Course Memory 5-Word Recall. Question 1. How many words are in the standard MoCA memory list? 3, 5, 7, 10. The standard list contains 5 words. Question 2. How many trials of learning are performed before the delay? 1, 2, 3, 4. The words are read twice, 2 trials, for the learning phase. Question 3. Are points awarded for the immediate recall trials, trial 1 and 2? Yes. No. Only for trial 2. Only if they get all 5. Points are only awarded for the delayed recall after about 5 minutes. Question 4. What is the standard order of words in the MoCA, example version 7.1? Face, silk, church, daisy, red. Apple, table, penny, blue, dog. Cat, hat, bat, mat, Saturday. Velvet, daisy, church, red, face. The standard version uses face, silk, church, daisy, red. Question 5. How long is the delay before the final recall task? 1 minute. 2 minutes. About 5 minutes. 10 minutes. The delayed recall occurs after other tasks, usually taking around 5 minutes. Question 6. What should the examiner do if the patient misses words in the second learning trial? End the test. Tell them the missed words. Repeat the whole list again. Give clues. The examiner should remind the patient of any words they missed in the second trial. Question 7. In the delayed recall phase, what is the maximum score? 3, 5, 10, 15. 1 point for each word recalled spontaneously. Question 8. If a patient cannot remember a word spontaneously, what is the first type of prompt given? Multiple choice. Category Q. The first letter. A rhyme. A category Q is provided first, example one word was a part of the body. Question 9. Do category Qs or multiple choice Qs earn points toward the total score? Yes. No. Half points. Only category Qs. Qs are for clinical information only and do not count toward the official 30-point MoCA score. Question 10. What is the category Q for the word silk? A type of flower. A type of fabric. A color. A building. The Q for silk is a type of fabric. Question 11. What is the multiple choice Q for the word church? School, hospital, church. Store, church, mosque. Church, park, library. Cathedral, church, chapel. Usually, is it a school, a hospital, or a church? Question 12. What is the category Q for red? A fruit. A color. A number. A feeling. The Q for red is a color. Question 13. Why are 2 learning trials performed? To increase difficulty. To ensure the words were encoded. To fill time. To test long-term memory. Learning trials ensure the patient has heard and attempted to process the words. Question 14. Which cognitive domain is primarily assessed by the 5-word recall? Executive function. Delayed recall memory. Attention. Visuospatial. It measures short-term memory and delayed recall. Question 15. True or false, the examiner should tell the patient they will be asked the words again later. True. False. The examiner explicitly states, "I will ask you to recall those words again at the end of the test." Question 16. If a patient remembers face only after being told it's a part of the body, how is it marked? Score 1. Score 0. Score 0.5. Check category Q box. It is recorded as a category Q success but score is 0. Question 17. What is the category Q for daisy? A type of bird. A type of flower. A type of food. A type of tool. The Q for daisy is a type of flower. Question 18. In what order should the examiner read the words? Randomly. 1 second apart. Alphabetically. 2 seconds apart. Words should be read at a rate of 1 per second. Question 19. If a patient recalls a word not on the list, an intrusion, how is it scored? Penalty of 1 point. Ignored for scoring. Half point deducted. Test is void. Intrusions are not scored but may be noted for clinical analysis. Question 20. Which word corresponds to the building category Q? Church. Silk. Red. Face. Church is the building.